joined today by Peter Moorhouse, Managing Director and CEO of Basin Energy. Peter, thanks for your time.
Thanks for having us. Great to chat, David.
All the focus is your rare earth project in Queensland. Can you tell us a little bit about the project and why it's so exciting?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, we've been very busy in Queensland over the last few months. We acquired the project back end of last year. We've just completed our second drilling program, predominantly looking for rare earths and for uranium, just west of Mount Isa. So this is our Sabella Barclay project, just outside of Mount Isa.
And the location itself is a big tick for this project.
Yeah, look, from us, jurisdiction and infrastructure is massive here. So our recent drilling program is about a 45-minute drive out of Mount Isa on the Bitumen Road. We all know the history of Mount Isa's had as a prolific mining town for a very significant period now. So having that on our doorstep, having the workforce, having power and infrastructure is absolutely phenomenal. So big tick for us, certainly from an exploration and potentially from a moving forward point of view as well. Very important.
And a significant land holding, and you've really only just scratched the surface with this maiden drill campaign.
Yeah, one of the big benefits of this land holding is we're talking almost 6,000 square K, so it's a very large area. Now, the Queensland government has been extremely supportive with exploration over the last few years, and we have a rent abatement scheme, so no land holding costs or no rents payable till the back end of 2028. With that, we've done 2 small drill programs since we've had the project. The last program, we were targeting rare earths in the granite, just to the south of the Isa, and that's where we've had our first success. But a lot of other opportunities to look at here, both from a rare earths and a uranium in the broader portfolio. Our job now is to filter through those and reduce that land holding over the next few years.
That first program did yield some outstanding results. What were some of the highlights?
Look, so this is a story emerging now, David, one where we're pretty stoked about. We drilled 8 holes, very small program. We did an RC program following up on some geochemical auger sampling that was done in 2023. We've only got results from 3 holes back so far, so there's 5 more coming. I'm hoping in the not too far distant future. And of those first 3 holes, one of those intersected 18 meters of magnet rare earth minerals from surface. So we're talking 18 meters, around 400 ppm NdPr with DYTB credits as well, up to around 50 ppm. So very solid hit from surface in what was a greenfields area. So very large area, lots of upside potential from a first 3 holes. Very exciting result, and I can't wait to see the results from the next 5.
And the plan from here to get back on the ground, drill again?
We already started the plan. We're very busy. So yeah, we've got we'll wait for those first results to come through from the remaining holes. We do have a follow-up program from the one hit so far already planned, which we'll be rolling and announcing shortly. And then depending on the broader success, we'll be stepping out. There is both expansion to that initial drill hit that needs doing straight away from a drilling perspective, and then the broader area, there are multiple other anomalies which similar magnitude, which also need testing. So no shortage of places to be pushing. And with those initial results really warrant that work. So lots to come, lots to come.
Clearly the focus, clearly what's exciting, not just management, but also the market. You do have assets in other jurisdictions. What are the plans for those?
Yeah, we do, and it's important recognition. So we did IPO with our uranium assets in the Athabasca, an area which, as most of our investors know, I'm very passionate about. We have done a deal on our our Marshall project to vend that into the TSXV listing. Now, we'll retain a lot of upside on that, and that project will ensure to get drilled. So creating value for shareholders and ensuring that that target moves forward is a big part of it for us. So we're looking at strategies for that with our Canadian portfolio now. Sweden's a big one for me. So Sweden's a uranium district as well. No cash burn for this either at the moment. It's a strategic holding, and we think Sweden has a very exciting uranium future. When the time is right, we'll look at ways to moving that with the best value for our shareholders.
Clear focus and a clear direction for how you're going to unlock the value of your rare earth project here in Queensland. Exciting times ahead for Basin and its shareholders. Pete, thanks for your time.
No, thank you. Thanks for listening.